In this video, we will discuss about fluid power system. So let's begin with what is fluid. Fluid is a substance that has no fixed shape, which means if fluid is poured in a container, it takes shape of a container. If bottled, it takes shape of the bottle. Fluid continuously deforms to external pressure. The standard definition of fluid is a fluid is a substance that continually deforms under an applied shear stress or external force. Some of the examples of fluid are blood in our body is fluid, air in a balloon, water in a pool, and so on are the examples of fluid. And now the definition of power is it is the amount of energy transferred or converted per unit time. Then what is fluid power? Just by the name we can say it is using fluid to transmit power. Let's see the definition. The fluid power is the use of fluids under pressure to generate, control, and transmit power. It is a means of power transmission in which fluid is used as a power transmitting media. There are four major types of power transmission systems. They are mechanical, electrical, hydraulic, and pneumatic power transmission systems. Out of these four power transmission systems, hydraulic and pneumatic systems come under fluid power systems. So, what are the types of fluids used in fluid power systems? Fluids in fluid power systems can be classified into two types. They are liquids and gases. If liquids are used as power transmission media, the system is called as hydraulic system. Hydraulic systems can be found in a wide variety of applications. Hydraulic systems are common everywhere, like in construction, logging, manufacturing, robotic industries, etc. Some of the everyday examples of hydraulic systems are in cars. Hydraulic brake circuit is operated to stop the car. In construction, machines such as cranes, forklifts, hydraulic jacks, pumps use hydraulics to lift and lower loads. Aeroplanes use hydraulic landing gear. Office chairs can be adjusted to rise up or down and to lean backwards as required. Pneumatic system. If gases are used as power transmission media, it is called as pneumatic system. Some of the examples of pneumatic system are air brakes on buses and trucks use pneumatics. In dentistry, dental drills used are pneumatic and are preferred over hydraulic and electric drills. Because pneumatic drill is much safer to use, hydraulics are not suitable because if there is any oil leak, it will affect the patient's health. Also, the floor becomes very slippery because of the leak. And in case of electric dental drill, there is a chance that the patient might get electrocuted. So pneumatic dental drill is much safer option. Some more everyday examples of pneumatics are pneumatic tires, jackhammers, vacuum pumps, etc. Three common hydraulic fluids found in the market are petroleum based, water based, and synthetic fluids. Petroleum based fluids are also known as mineral based fluids, and these are most widely used fluids today. The properties of mineral based fluid depends mainly on the additives used, the quality of original crude oil, and refining process. The advantages of petroleum based fluids are low cost, high quality, and are readily available. Water based fluids are used for fire resistance due to their high water content. They are available as oil in water emulsions, water in oil emulsions, and water glycol blends. Water based fluids can provide suitable lubrication characteristics but need to be monitored closely to avoid problems. Because water based fluids are used in applications where fire resistance is needed and the atmosphere around the system can be hot. Water-based fluids can be more expensive than conventional petroleum-based fluids and have other advantages, but that must be weighed against advantage of fire resistance. Synthetic fluids are man-made lubricants and many offer excellent lubrication characteristics in high pressure and high temperature systems. Some of the advantages of synthetic fluids may include fire resistance, low friction, natural detergency, and thermal stability. The disadvantage of these types of fluids is that they are usually more expensive than conventional fluids. They even might be slightly toxic in nature, and thus they require special disposal methods.